Yup. Yup. Yup.
How is it only 6%? My battery is only 6% and I freaking had it on the charger all night. I might have to get a new battery. I'm over this. Hey y'all, hey, it's me, Renee. Welcome to my channel. I'm on my way to the nail salon to get my toes done. I might have to just record on my phone because apparently my camera it's been acting real crazy lately. It's so hot right now. Whew, I've been sweating.
Just wanna be your girl. Know if you got a girl, don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been needing to say hi.
Hey y'all, just leaving the nail salon. I'm recording on my phone. Wait a minute, turn this over it. I have to go get me a new camera today. Well, a new charger, not a new camera. But I do got an iPhone, so I guess this will come out nice. Just left the nail salon. She did a really good job. But I'm gonna have to get back into doing my toes myself. Please, girl, don't hit my car. I mean, I can't focus. I get real nervous, anxiety when someone is backing up close to my car. My car got hit while I was at the daggone gas station before. I was sitting in my car and someone couldn't maneuver and hit my car while I was sitting still. I'm about to go home and I guess we're gonna go get a battery for my camera. Today is my niece's birthday. I'm gonna run in the dollar store, grab a bag for her and find a card. I have her items coming. I'm gonna show y'all. Got her some stuff from Amazon. She's really into nails, so I brought her this nail kit. It'll come with, I'll just show y'all a whole bunch of stuff. And I brought her some gel polishes, neon colors, and some stuff like that. So all right y'all, let's go. Amazon dropped off my niece's package. I did run to the dollar store, get her this birthday bag.
Just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is. I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. I love you, girl. Just wanna be your girl.
So my overnight oats are done. I'm getting ready to show y'all, I think about 3 or 4 recipes you could do with the overnight oats. Cut all the fruit up: pineapple chunks, strawberry chunks, blueberries, a banana, and some almond butter, These are the jams I made last night. Blueberry jam and the strawberry jam. So the first one I'm going to do is a almond butter and banana. And this is the overnight oats, how they look after sitting in the refrigerator for 24 hours.
I'm getting tired of your shit. You don't ever buy me nothing. And every time you come around, you got to bring him young Paul and Tyrone. Now I can't wait by I say sometimes. See, I've been having this on my mind for a long time. I just want it to be you and me like it used to be, baby. But you don't.
Hey y'all, I got a new camera. That's why I'm looking, I'm supposed to be looking right here, looking over here. My old camera, where is this? Downstairs. Sony a5100. When you take the lens out, it's on top of the camera, so it's like I'm looking at y'all, but I'm really looking at myself to make sure I'm in focus and everything. But this new Sony Z7 something, I'll have it in the description or right here. You open, what is it called? Open the screen so I can see myself. It's on the side, so sorry if I'm looking crazy. I'm gonna show y'all my camera and everything, tell y'all why I got a new one. But I just showed y'all my hair, and it was only in for a week and a half. It still look pretty good to me, but I'm over it. I'm over this style. I'm ready to change my hair again, and hopefully I'll be done. That's my fan if you hear it, because it's hot up in this room. My bad, I can't not have it on. I'm about to take my hair out, and I'm going to dye it brown. So this is Cream of Nature medium warm brown. It's a new color. And then I got Adore Honey Brown. Put on top. I forgot her name. This girl I follow on YouTube. What's her name? She's from London. Her name is Only Bells. I don't know if you can see it. But she recently got her hair dyed. And I was like, what's the color that I was trying to get? And I said, okay, let me go grab it from the store. And hopefully it will come out how I like it. I think I'm gonna turn y'all off because that fan is getting on my nerves, and I know it's getting on y'all's probably. Hopefully it's not, but this might be a whole weekend long process. I do not like to spend my weekends taking my hair out. I feel like that's a waste of my weekend. And then my hair gonna be nice and cute for Monday morning at work. No, I want it to be cute on the weekends when I'm out and about and doing stuff. I haven't even done my summer haul for y'all. That's some of my clothes over there. I got so... Oh, let me pay attention. Wait a minute now. I got so many new outfits because I said I was going to be out here this summer. Out in these streets. And then my previous vlog, I was telling y'all about how I was feeling a little... I don't want to use the word insecure because it wasn't insecure, but self-conscious. I picked up some weight. But... now that little phase is over and I'm ready to start dressing cute, feeling cute. I'm watching Court TV. This guy, 21-year-old, found guilty of killing his mother and their dog. And then they talking about him killing the dog. Boy, and killing the mother and the dog. Now, you know you got to be a sick somebody. You gonna kill a person and a dog. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready to take these out. And I'll be back to show y'all how my hair look. I said if worst come to worst, I can always put a black rinse on top of it. That's the last option. I don't want to go too dark, but I will if I have to. So As you see, I'm done taking my hair out right now. I just have plain water in this. I keep looking at the wrong spot. Plain water in this spray bottle, and I'm going to use my Garnier Whole Blend Repairing Shampoo. Since my hair has gotten a little longer, I don't like to wash my hair under the sink or in the shower because it takes too long. My back starts to hurt and I start to get impatient and feel like I pull my hair out. So I like to shampoo my hair like this, sitting down. I really didn't need to do too much detangling because, like I said, I only had my hair in for a week and a half. So it really wasn't nothing to detangle because it wasn't in that long. Oh, I didn't even show y'all my nails. This 1 week went by so daggone fast. I think it's so cute. It's just dots, but I think it's the cutest thing. It's just the littlest things that make me so happy. Oh, a bubble. I can condition it under the sink because my hair would already be detangled. So I can rinse this out real quick and put some conditioner in. I'm going to use this. This is the Whole Blend Seasoning Conditioner. Oh, I got another shampoo. I gotta use this. I forgot Giovanni's. I thought this was a conditioner, but it's a shampoo. You know, little black feet. I'm so cute. I just got out the shower. Finished working out. Went over to my mother's house. Got on her treadmill. Came home. Did some crunches and squats. You know, getting on my nerves. I had my hair up. Girl, it is freaking hot. We get ready to run to the mall because I've been buying so many clothes. I'm gonna do this clothing haul this weekend because I just been procrastinating. Hey Nina, look at him, girl. Oh my gosh, I can't do nothing. You say hi to everybody? I got so much stuff, so I'm taking a couple items back. Look. This is all the boxes. Show my address. All these boxes. It was another box too. I just combined some stuff. Shein. There's more Shein stuff that I hung up already on my rack over there. And then some pants. Girl, I'm going to show y'all the items I'm taking back. Like 3 pair of pants. And this blazer. I wanted to do like a oversized blazer look for like some jeans or something. This is not the look. It is given, it's given no. Sorry for this angle, but I don't feel like going downstairs to get my tripod. But look, it's just too big, and I think if it was a little cinched in on the waist or something, I could do it, but it's just giving real oversized. So that's enough for those. Everything I got was on sale. The original price was $89. I'm gonna say this was $39. I don't know what was I thinking with these pants. But girl, I don't even feel like trying them on because they just, it's a no for me. These pants, they look cute online on the mannequin. But it was giving me like Gaucho High Water. I want to say this was $25.99 on sale. And then it's see-through. You can see my, it's like real see-through. So these, no. These, I don't know what I was thinking. And Zara be overpriced, but this is giving pajamas $59. This was, I want to say $39. And these, girl, they were $59 too. I want to say they were $39 on sale for $39. These pants, I told my man they was giving me TLC, so I creep vibes. No, that was not the look I'm going for. Zara be overpriced sometimes. Well, all the time. The only reason why I brought all this stuff from Zara is because it was on sale. Maybe I brought one thing that probably wasn't on sale, but everything else I got from them was on sale. That's when I usually shop there because I'm not paying a crazy amount. Why did I buy a coat? It's 1,000 degrees. You see my head is sweating. I brought this coat. Well, I put it over top of the dress. But I brought a coat, girl. This coat is so freaking cute. I wanted it last year. It's not leather. It's faux, whatever it is. So it's not even leather. And the original price, when I saw it last year, was can you see? was $150. And I'm like, no, that ain't even real leather. Why the heck am I going to pay that much money for that? No. Got it on sale for more than half off. It was still working out this new camera. But, yeah, it was, what was it, $59. So I was like, oh, let me get that now. I know I'm not going to be able to wear it until a couple months. But when it get cold, oh, it get cold. And I try to do it and fit good, so I'm keeping that. We get ready to go to the store, take these items back. And probably grab something to eat. Not out because I'm eating good, but like grab something from the market and eat it in the house. I got this bag. I don't even think I showed y'all this. I got this little bag from Shein. It's cute. Got so much stuff that I want to show y'all. I just keep forgetting. I got so many pairs of satin pants, satin tops. My man brought me a steamer to help with my satin items. And these two bags, I want to go over them with y'all. I did an empties video. The empty products that I have that I like. If I like it, if I don't like it, would I buy it? Or no, not buying it again. My face is so greasy because I just got out the shower and I use oil on my face at night. So this is not just sweat. It might be a little sweat, but girl, look like a porcelain doll baby. My skin looking good. All right, y'all, let's go to this mall and take this. Come on, Nino, you're not staying up here. Look at him. He be thinking if he don't move, he invisible. Nino. Where's Nino?